Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Koma kwambiri takulandirani masanano ku msonkhano watu wa nkhani umene chipani cha UTM komanso PP chikupangitsa masanano. Tili ndi ya president PPM Right Honorable Mark Kasonga Phiri, komanso tili ndi Secretary General achipani cha PPM, the executive ya PPM, komanso tili ndi Director of Recruitment kuchipani cha UTM Honorable Masautu Alexson. Masanano kumano wathu tiyamba ndi statement imene adawerenge Right Honorable Mark Kasonga Phiri. Tikamaliza pamenepo ndiye kuti tidzapereka mwayi kwa anthu ankhani kuti konza kufunsa mafunso awiri atatu kenako tidzamaliza. Ndiye nthawi ino tipempha kuti Masautu Alexson tipatse mapero tiyambe press briefing yathu.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Like I said, in Chichewa, we will proceed with a statement from the President of PPM, Right Honorable Mark Kasonga Phiri. Thank you.
Thank you, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, more so our dear reporters. Let's consider this to be maybe the most important day in the history of Malawi. Why am I saying this? Two parties are agreed to work together to promote the candidacy of the best presidential candidate. And this is Dr. Kabani. And there are reasons to this. I'll go through this statement, which is written for me. But after this, I'll go to my own points to emphasize certain features of our sitting around here. As usual, political leaders are always given something to read through. I'll read it through in English, but maybe when I come to my points, I'll do it in Chichewa to elaborate what we are here for. It's not a joke, it's a serious matter. We are going through a crisis, or we have been going through a crisis of our country for a good number of years. To me, for 30 years. To others, it may be less. Now, before I start reading my written statement, I must recognize the presence of our Secretary General, as it's already done, Mr. Wellington Chatepa, and the Publicity Secretary for UTM, who are presiding this meeting together with me, and all members of the two parties. What does this confirm? It confirms that it just didn't come like a fly-by-night event. 30 days to election day. PPM is here to endorse the candidacy of Dr. Kalisto Kabambe, who will state the results. But now, let us go through my written speech. Members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, not forgetting the executive members of the two parties. As you may recall, recently, our party, the People's Progressive Movement, PPM, announced that we will not feature a presidential candidate. This didn't just come, but we did analyze the political situation in Malawi. We further announced that when the right time comes, we will announce our partner, who we will have seen to be the best torchbearer for all Malawians. And this, we were serious because we scrutinized all the candidates one by one. In fact, all the 22 candidates one by one. It wasn't easy, but at the end of the day, we picked on one. And today we'll tell you why. We are looking at, steering our economy forward. Others have been tried and tested. They have failed, we must agree. That's why we have reached this situation. We are finding ourselves in a very devastating situation, destructive, ruinous, disastrous, catastrophic, and the list goes on. It didn't happen overnight. To me, maybe to us in PPM, our country has been on the declining trend for 30 years. Now, the situation needs to be reversed. We can choose to be going forward and backwards. That will be because if we choose that, it will be because we don't learn from our past experiences. We advocated to go back ourselves as PPM, but we're finding ourselves in a situation which is so disastrous, to say the least. Should we repeat that mistake? In English, we say mistakes are inevitable, but repeated mistakes are stupid. As stated, we chose Dr. Kabambe for reasons. We will state one by one, about 12 reasons why Dr. Kabambe. Some of the reasons are UTM manifesto versus other parties' manifestos, and compared to ours, we found that we are in tandem. We are on the same track. So we felt, why struggle? There's somebody who is already doing the job. There's somebody with adequate experience in terms of management. He is somebody who has very little to learn when he goes to State House. Hence our decision. His past performance is known by everybody. He has been in the civil service for more than 25 years. He was governor of the Reserve Bank, if my memory doesn't betray me, for 3 years. The caliber of his party and his own caliber, nobody can question. As a human being, he may have his own faults, but others have got worse faults than him. So we don't believe our choice is wrong, and we can only advise Malawians that the choice of PPM more often, not even more often, but forever, ever since we started picking on candidates, nobody has failed. We supported Uganda Chagwamba. He won, but the votes were stolen from him. We supported Bingwa Mutharika in his second term when he was very nervous. When we just endorsed Bingwa Mutharika, the whole landscape of Malawi changed. And he won overwhelmingly. We supported Chagwera. He won. I'm whispering because at times I feel embarrassed for what is happening. I am proud we supported Bingwa Mutharika because he performed. But our choice was wrong. I just want to emphasize that once PPM endorses, that endorsement doesn't fail. That's probably judgment on 16th. But I'll prove right, that I can tell. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, you can agree with us that our choice of UTM is the best choice ever as far as this period is concerned. And I assure you that by the general election date, most parties and individuals will come along with us to support Dr. Daliso Kabambe. I should repeat, why Dr. Kabambe? He has a lot that takes to be a leader. He has the experience. He has the stature. He has the drive. He has a fairly clean record. I'm saying fairly because there's no angel under the sun. He may have his own faults, like all of us here have our own faults. But of the people who have come forward to contest, to me, he is the best. It is indeed our vision, ladies and gentlemen, that the voiceless Malawians now have the power in their hands to direct their future in the best direction. And that best direction is Dr. Kabambe. The piece of paper in our hands, which is the ballot paper, now is not for exchange of the present handouts, but rather it is a choice or the stepping stone to turn around this country for our better lives in the future. On a last note, and most important, may I, on behalf of the entire PPM party, members, supporters, and well-wishers, thank Honorable Daliso Kabambe and the entire UTM team for partnering with us. It is not a partnership of convenience. It is a partnership of purpose. And I will explain the purpose as we go along. Your candidate signifies a real voice of reason and hope for a better Malawi and for all Malawians. Let us now hit the ground with ground-breaking campaign starting from tomorrow when we launch the manifesto of the two groups. It's another very important day in our lives, not only in our lives, but in the lives of the majority of Malawians. We may want to miss the boat, but I'll tell you the unfortunate experience we have had as Malawi. May God lead us for a better Malawi, and I thank you so much for listening. Thank you. I'll be inviting questions shortly, but allow me to go point by point on what I've just stated. There are certain things I believe I need to emphasize. This alliance, with the agreement of our colleagues, should be called Alliance with Purpose. Why Alliance with Purpose? The majority of alliances, most of which I have been at the center of organizing, all the major alliances, Mark Katsonga Piri has been in the center, starting from with an alliance. I was right in the center. I don't have to mention about Tosa Alliance. Tosa Alliance, I was key in negotiating. So I am saying this alliance must be a totally different alliance, because most of the alliances is let's get rid of this party so that we grab power. When we grab power, so what? This alliance must be targeting at working together to improve the quality of life for all Malawians. That's why we're saying it's an alliance of purpose. Not alliance just to increase numbers so that we make too much noise. Yes, we'll make too much noise, but for purpose. Therefore, an alliance for purpose. Number 2, why UTM and PPM? These two parties are very, very similar. One thing Malawians don't know, the first president of UTM started his politics in the PPM. For your information, the older reporters may know he was our director of youth. He was the first director of youth before Mr. Jumali Zain took over. Our current director of youth is Mr. Jumali Zain. He must be around. The first to hold this position was late Dr. Klaus Chilima. May his soul rest in peace. Now, we have been campaigning separately. UTM has been more aggressive. We have not. But the things you have been mentioning are similar. A lot of them. They are similar. We are all bent, or we are all committed to seeing the improvement of the lives of Malawi. And it's a genuine commitment. When you look at the characters in the two parties, the leadership, the NEG members, the members, very, very committed. We call ourselves a party for farmers and industrialists. And we are targeting rural development. We are targeting rural industrialization. UTM is targeting economic transformation. And when the two meet, Malawi will never be the same. And we have a problem that Malawi or Malawians love parties so much. We have paid a very heavy price for that. Why am I saying this? Loving parties is okay. It's not a mistake. But we should not love parties more than our country. Our country first. But we find Malawians, we get so absorbed with parties. I'm saying the past 30 years, parties which have ruled have not performed. I'm afraid to say we are in this mess, not because Chakwera is in power, and not because it started with Chakwera. This country has been declining ever since the so-called multi-party democracy. And it's all to do with our love for parties. Whether a party performs or it doesn't perform, people simply love the party. We are very different from our colleagues in Zambia. In Zambia, starting with Mwanawasa, they said, parties are letting us down. Let's start looking at individuals. I appeal to Malawians to take an example of Zambia and other countries for that matter, to start looking for individuals with a performance background. Usher them into leadership. Things will never be the same if we take that direction. Starting from Mwanawasa, things started turning around, and that's 20 years ago. They voted him when he had a very small party. After that came Sata. Again, his own small party. But because of realizing his good work as an individual, as an independent citizen, Zambia has voted for him. Zambia continued to do well. After him came Eddie Galungu of his party to finish his term. Long enough, he won another term. But Zambia went on doing well. Today, we have got Hakainde Hichilema. Zambia is still moving forward. As a result, Zambia is feeding Malawi. When during Kamuzu's time, Malawi was feeding Zambia. A very unfortunate trend of events for Malawians. I hope we will learn that leadership is not a party. A country is led by an individual, not a party. So we have to scrutinize our candidates, not based on their parties, based on individual characters who have performed. And to me, of all those who are in the race, Kabambe stands out. I have already said that UTM is for economic transformation. I mean, its theme is economic transformation. PPM is rural industrialization. And PPM doesn't just speak, we demonstrate. That's why we are saying, give us a table so that we start from here to demonstrate what it means to industrialize. I'll tell you that at the time of independence, China was poor than Malawi. Malawi was much better. In the 70s, most of you were not born. I was there. China was poor and Malawi was better. That's number one. Number two, in Malawi, Mali, and Malaysia were at the same time, at the same level during time of independence, which was in the 60s. Malawi is stuck where it was. Those were days. Mali, another country in Africa, stuck. Malaysia today is a very powerful economy. Extremely powerful. They at one time had the tallest buildings, even beating those twin towers in America, taller than twin towers in Malaysia. They are doing fantastically well. I went there in 1994, immediately before the advent of my party. They had road toll gates everywhere in the city, on the highways. In 1994, Malawi had one hardly 5 years ago, and it's only one today. That tells a very big story. And yet, at the time of independence, Malaysia, Mali, and Malawi, were at the same level. But Malaysia left us behind. Their GDP, their income, their capital, it's all way up. Something seriously wrong. Something seriously wrong with our country. We have to think. We have to see which direction we should be going. I already said that we pay very heavy price for our love for parties more than our country. That mindset must change. Our country must come first. How do we do that? Let's continue to love parties. But let's go for leaders. When voting, let us vote people with a record of success in their own right. Then they also make the country successful. That's the way we see it. We are creating a trio. This is another issue you guys should know. I got impressed, and this is one thing which also induced me and my party to go for UTM. Selection of running mate must be for a purpose. Who did Kabambe choose? An engineer. Do we agree? An engineer. Now, look at this. Kabambe is an administrator. This was an attraction to me. I am an industrialist for over 50 years. I said, if we take this trio into the mechanism of running government with our supporters below, Malawi will never be the same. Because where we are starting on administration, Kabambe is there, Pulasa. He's a genius administrator. Where we are going down industrially, Katonga will Pulasa. Because he's an industrialist for over 50 years. In fact, 51 years to be specific. Where we are slacking in terms of importing appropriate technology, we have Dr. Ndumbuka. You can never, in all the parties which are contesting, you'll never get this mix. So if we seriously want to develop this country, I don't think we have any combination. Others are combining themselves just to increase numbers. But if we pass our message accurately to the voters, the landscape will change. The political landscape is going to change entirely. We have got mafua. Pachichewa tumatijani? Mafua. Tuli mafua atatu. Mpiko kati gweleo kulifua lina. Mpiko kati gweleo kulifua lina. Mpiko kati gweleo kulifua lina. That is what we are creating here. And that was one attraction. I said, the choice of running mate here is fantastic. Why would I compliment? That would be an administrator who will be lifting our administrative mechanism. An industrialist who knows anything to do with productivity. That's why our theme is rural industrialization. We are going wrong somewhere, we are failing to get appropriate technology, we have an engineer. I'm challenging you, you cannot get this trio in all the parties which are contesting. Not even one. If you have, come to me. I'll tell you you are wrong. I said PPM endorsement doesn't go wrong. Starting from Rwanda, you won. We endorsed him, we supported him, we formed an alliance. I was in the center of it. In fact, I was Rwanda's Chola boy. Me. Because our first president, Alec Banda, was his running mate. We supported Bingu. Most of you are already there. In his second term, when he was presenting his papers, I was sitting there, I was sitting next to him. He spoke, I complimented. And the whole country was put on fire. And who was late Bingu? Again, may his soul rest in peace. Somebody who did what Kabambe has been doing. To me, Kabambe has been following Bingu's footsteps. Why am I saying this? Bingu was a fantastic administrator. Bingu worked for big banks out there, World Bank, IMF. Bingu was governor of Reserve Bank. Kabambe has been following those footsteps. It's as simple as that. What else do we need better than that combination for Malawi to move forward? Shall we know? we believe in PPM that we have made mistakes as a country, but they are not beyond correction. But what we also believe, it is not the same people who made these mistakes who can fix them. Never, that will never happen. And in life, it doesn't work that way. You need an independent hand to correct the mess. I don't believe the parties which have dragged this country into the mess we are in can make any difference. We need fresh hands, we need clear minds, we need hardworking people. In PPM, we are seeing all that in Kabambe. I repeat, here's what is on short force. There is no angel on earth. We all have got our own problems. But in terms of leadership, looking at the people who have put their name forward to contest for the presidency of this country, Kabambe stands out. My appeal to reporters, thandizeni kukulitsa Kabambe. We cannot get anything better. Really. Alipoena, we cannot get anything better. If we truly love this country, let's forget about parties. I'll give you an example. I'll give another example. I'll give an example of Zambia and other countries. Botswana is the same. Botswana have gotten themselves out of the mess, which has been there for 60 years. They now have got a brand new, independent president with his small party, and he's moving. We have heard of the Traores of this world, and many other examples. Malawi must take that example. But what do I mean? When I say I want to give you the example of our own after Zambia. Bingu, so Bingu to me, I'm the admirer. He did very well. He was not exemplary, but he did well. Formed his small party, his own, he contested. And he failed. Malawians knew. This man was in IMF, this man was in World Bank, this man was head of COMESA, this man, but they rejected him. And why? Because small party. In his wisdom, he decided to join a bigger party, knowing that Malawians love parties. Which we have, I repeat, we have paid dearly because of our love for parties. He joined a bigger party. The man won. That's a lot. That is a lesson. Could you put a mistake in way instead of young and I mean, I'm going to move forward. Could you be able to Japan? Let's see, which much of Zigo Amatsugureta and Muru. Now, how do I sum that one up? Of all the 6 presidents, and I say this without fear or favor, Onrega Muzu and Bingu performed economically in this country. Everybody can challenge me, but to me, they are the only 2. At times we get confused. We get confused in Maombe. We give all the credit to the president, but a lot of them chase hell instead of chasing elephants. What do I mean by this? Ndalama zanu za misongo mazipatsa kwa president who is the prime mover, but you also give the same money to MPs. You also give the same money to councillors. So it is nothing to do with president or parliament. It's council or councillor. Nothing to do with the president. But all the praises go to the president. President. For what? So we get blinded, believing what this president is performing. And yet he's chasing rabbits instead of chasing elephants. So, all I'm saying is, we have a man, one of those people who have put himself on the campaign trail for the presidency of this country, let's serve him adequately. PPM has given itself time to assess the president, and we believe among those, he is the only man who can move Malawi forward.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Mark Kasonga Phiri, for such a powerful statement, kind comments for UTM President Dr. Dalitso Kabambe. We thank you for the endorsement, and we will work together as a team for the sake of this country.
Yes.
At this point in time, our colleagues from the media circle, I open the floor for questions. We can limit questions to 4 so that we allow the president of PP to attend to other things. Thank you very much. Yes. You mention your name and the media house you represent. Mwenena dzina lanu komanso kuchikodi muimira nyumba iyi.
Ile dzina langa ni Ronald Chacha. Ndio kusema so awi na kusema so yamba makambaba kuti imwe ndi mmoja wa kinyenga ana kuti mwabanga endorse president ya makambaza kwanda ya mama apiko komanso wachawera mapande kusali inonde kuti ngati PPM panoka mazona kuti mulibe kutendera kuti mukuzopambana panoka kusolina taona kuti pali mphekesera kuti tapezera kuti chipani cha UTM chikhale chikukhazikitsa manifesto ake posachedwa apa makhala ndi nthawi yowunikira manifesto ako a UTM kuti pamene mabwera pano makumana nawo manifesto amenewo
Mbili. So yamba limene.
ndi malungira kuzoya kumiki
Malumbo ya? Yes.
okay I ndi malungira kuzoya kumiki FM radio mafani ngoziwa kuzoya kwa songa nanti makapo malance gaina yomwe sinati mwandeleo ya tonse muna mwabiro wako tuzoti sabu kusabilizana ngati APPM mu alliance mene mupanga panopole ndi UTM ngati zingathe kuti akwali mboma mukwemiza zotani saza kusaina padilaso ngati momwe muna zimakhalira malance ena.
Okay. Joseph Mazizi, Capital FM. Ndimafuna ndifunse kuti kodi kutonse mwachokaliti pompano kumano wa nyumba yamalamulo umene unali kudzanatsanali munali kumbali ya boma ndipo munavota mokwirizana ndi mmene amavotera mbali ya boma timene kuti munachokako kugwirizana umene ukapena chifukwa choti basi teremu yatha zipo.
You want to ask another? Oh, sorry. Because you're Malaysia, yes?
Yeah, thank you so much. My name is Ian Maris. I'm just going to also provide a rejoin to what my colleague has asked. I wanted you, especially for PPM, to confirm to us whether you also feel that you are part of the betrayal that betrayed Malawians when you helped vote in the new Tonse Alliance government that you are today saying that it has not performed very well. Do you agree that you are also part of the same problem?
Thank you very much. Right Honorable, I think the questions are addressed to you, but the last one, before I give you the mic or the platform to respond to the first 4 questions, I think let me address this one. And allow me to address it in detail because ndikudziwa kuti anthu ambiri akuonera ndipo funso limeneli amafunsa nthawi zonse. Zimene zinachitika 2020 palibe chipani chimene chinapanga betrayal. Chifukwa cha mavuto amene Amalawi amakumana nawo nthawi imeneyo, Amalawi anapempha zipani zonse kuti zigwirizane. Chifukwa cha pempho limenelo ndi pamene Amalawi anagwirizana ndikupanga alliance. Ngati ife a UTM tinapanga alliance ndi Malawi Congress Party chifukwa chokuti Amalawi adafunitsitsa alliance imeneyo. And zidafika pokuti Amalawi amauza mpaka mipingo kuti akapempha chinthu kuti achichepese. Chichepeseni akuti ndinokula mtima, chichepeseni. Samayi wali zimene zijamalawi. Chifukwa pakeso kangati Amalawi pena simachedwa kuiwalira. Chichaiwali zimene tizikumbukira ndithu chifukwa imene ndi mbiri yofunikira kwambiri pa moyo wathu. Ndi atapemphedwa kuti achilima achichepese. Amakani samafuna. Ndipo zinatengera akuluakulu sophatiza apa katsonga ali apa. Amipingo amene anapita kukambirana nawo achilima kuti zichepeseni mukadali ang'ono. Ndiye tikamanena kuti anthu amene adapanga alliance wanachita betray Amalawi ayi. Mzialoza amene apanga betray Amalawi. The president amene akuyendesa dziko. Amalawi anayika chikhulupiriro mwa iwowo. Tonsefe tinayika chikhulupiriro mwa iwowo. Kuti ndo tinasenza ife pazofuna zonse zimene timafuna dziko lino litakhala. Kwasiyira iwowo toyendesa dziko. Ndipo maloza zala zisamaloze kwa anthu ambiri. Ziloza munthu mmodzi. Chifukwa mukatero ndiye kuti mawa dziko lino lidzayenda. Chifukwa mbiri imeneyi adzayimira. Lero alliance akukuda chifukwa Amalawi ngati 5 tukuopa. Amalawi lero akunena kuti olo mupite pa social media lero. Anthu alichero akuti lero akuganiza kuti kulekezedwa alliance ya DPP ndi UTM. Andi ndosangalala anthu. Kulowa mboma amene angatsogolere alliance imeneyo kuzapanga zinthu zosakonda Amalawi. Amalawi omweyo mwina akuzonso kunena kuti munatipititsa kumene kundi. Kuyiwala kuti Amalawi kuchita push for my alliances. The history samati taigire. Ndiye mangofuna ndikonzeka ameneyo. Right honorable kuti simunapange betray Amalawi. Munali ndi zolinga zabwino. Amanena kuti mtima wawina nditsidya lino. Tonsefe sitimadziwa kuti kodi mtima winawo munali chani. Mtima mwathu tonse timafuna Amalawi wabwino. Kana mangati mtima mwa president kana munalibemo ndife tikanamubweretsa bali kana. Lero tili pamene tili chifukwa chonena kuti alliance isinagwire ntchito. Eni ngati ma alliance akukanika lero chifukwa cha mmene president achakwera ayendetsera alliance ya tonse. Tisamakonde kuzungulira nkhani. Atolankhaniso mafunso amene wandithudzira aona kuti ili tililozere uko. Cholinga tidzikonza mawa zinthu ngati zimene zimachitike. Tikuyembekeza kuti tidzakhala tsiku limene padzakhale ndithu kukambirana kwenikweni kwa nkhani imeneyi. Conversation imeneyi kwene ukambidwa ngati mdziko. So ndimangofuna president ndikuthandizeni funso limenelo
before you come in, Mr. President. Ingophera mpongo. Chifukwa kupita kuzisankho. Andi anthu asokonekera ambiri. Mukadzaona khosi akuthawa ndikuthawira pamoto. Mudzadziwe kuti chimene akuthawa khosi icho ndiopsa kuposa chani? Moto. Ngati anthu tinasochera kumapezeka kuti tikupita ku Malawi Congress Party 2020. Ndikuti chimene timathawacho chinali chiopsa kuposa chani? Moto umene tinathawirapo. Kupita kuzisankho Amalawi satengeke ndizo zina zake zosapita patatu.
Imene ndingotsendera mwachidule sitinachita betrayal. Mwina ngati panali betrayal mungani nakali dacha kwetu. Mwene bimoso ndina ja Amalawi. Ngati nakali zokonda chipani. Ife titatopa mboma la TVP. Tinoteni tithawe koma tipezeri na bomu. Motivation factor ya ine ilipani jana. Congress inachita mwini. Zoka sikwa nukena sika. Andizi mdivetset. Chifukwa chokuta chipani. Tima iwala kuti chipani icho chimachita bwino mmanja mwa munthu wina wachi. And we still continue to believe kuti chimachita zinthu chipani icho. Leadership. Zachitika sipano kawiri. Tinachita convention. Kuchita support cha kwetu. In an electoral alliance. tinamuinitsa. After kumuinitsa, he ran away from us. Timangovura pa cabinet. Pamene mukamenya nkhondo ija, mukawina mmakhala pansi. Makosana tathandizana kuwina stage 1. Kuti tsopano tingaendetse bwanji bomali mmakwizana nyamwezi wo. Mukaona ku cabinet position about ma other services boma jani zimesi zinachitike. That's number 1. What does this mean? Electoral alliance imata tsiku limene munthu asankhidwa. Malamulo a dziko lino alibe provision yopanga ma electoral alliance. Ndiye anosankhidwa kuti amatenga advantage of that. Amapanga zimene akufuna iye. I've been advocating even in parliament. Makosana tiye tipange malamulo ndi alliance, otherwise amfeti ngumorozeka for years on end. Komano ukufuraso kwa tukuno mundale mu grid. Amina kutoa kuti already have the numbers. They don't listen to the small guys. How bright, how brilliant you may be. Zosezo zimatibwezera pambuyo. Ndikuona mndale emphasize kuti zapitirizo panga ma mistake isati tienda forward. Chifukwa panopo sikufuna kunena wina koma hatati ndibwerere kuje ku DPP. And yet popita ku MCP tumati DPP ndiyo ipa. So when ikomerero DPP ndiye tibwerere komweko, why don't we move forward? So palibe betrayal yonse kunali kufunira amalawi zabwino taphule manja mwa DPP imene atupanayo taike manja mwa chipani china popeza amakonda zipani tikati tipitefa akatsonga ngachipani chitoka kang'ono ingo lako chani. Hence again coming to this alliance, I don't want us to go back. I would like us to move forward. Chabwino imambo cha compliment fusolo siliza ndiambi bile bwambira mafuso anu. Ankoma radio Mr. Nani sina bende piti zina
Judge.
Mr. Judge.
Yes, Judge.
Aha. Kwa pipi mkandistani ndikoza kuima masafuta tunaima 2014 kama sisi na wine. We don't do things for yabu. We don't do things for the sake of doing. I'm really glad those things are winner. We already tried it. We did it. Tina Ayambako with a condition. And the condition is this country is in a total mess. If we agree, all Malawians agree to correct the mess, Mark Katsonga Piri will stand. What about the assessment? You know, like very, very strong in Malawians. So we said, let's give ourselves time to try and change the mindset. Including our neighbor. I want to manage mindset. Zero amendments anymore. Congress is better than you. You don't mind what I'm doing neither. DPP under being they was not going to win. Including financial support in second day. Kubera things went haywire. Ose wani mambo ni oti amatsogolera dziko sipana amatsogolera dziko ni muntu. And if we don't start looking for individuals like the governments of this world, tikana mavuto ena anjala matenda umphawi and the list goes on for another 30 years. Lachiwiri UTM manifesto diani zikugwirizana ili ndayakhalale in my discussion. Zambiri they already similar. They advocate for industrial economic revolution. We advocate for industrial revolution or rural industrialization. When the two are combined with the 3 pillars, an administrator here, an engineer here, an industrialist here, Malawi will never fall into the wrong hands. That I can guarantee. Miji Chemalumbo. Those alliance involvement, yes, I was in the center and maybe in the front line. Brief history. Chilima Dindon, his party did not want Ngaklepa Mono.
100%.
Not in Ngaklepa Mono. And then the first months. What do you know what it is? That was his question. All of us converged to him to say, no, we may not agree to agree, but let's do this in the interest of the nation. Natural brand that's women market launch. naye okulanda ntimu yanga tukupereka kumane tichite finalize zo kuchita launch uchine atu mawa nafika ku office ya MCP kulowa mu office mwanja kwira napesa likuma akulu azana alikuti boy.
I remember that night.
Yeah. Nsabu ndiye akati ni phone hii. I picked the phone. Bien, liine. Tuna kula za msabu wanga mafoni wanja. Nilifuna tije finalize it. Alimda kwa kalima. Takwira ndikama kadi za tuzi kuno. He came. Mboni this. He came. That showed me he really didn't want it. If it comes in the national interest, and is it also in my interest and is it also in the interest of me and my party? It's very much for some time again. Come mama amena voice out kuti tikagwirizana kuti tenge boma. Tikaleka boma ngati tikagwirizana, which turned out exactly what was in his head. Singagwirizana. Achabarana, sikulomana pambana achabarana tawira. We couldn't save anybody's phones. Timangu vote akoza cabinet. Kwa ingila chilima, kuti mulipokoza cabinet sinokuzidziwa. My key partner was not involved in the formation of the cabinet. Whole vice president, he was already vice president. He was already vice president then. He was not involved in the formation of the cabinet. Dia mfano yangu Solani ile ni makalambali ya boma. Tusenza Katundu abakulemera kuntaba njira kusira yena iwe kutawa. We don't do that. Strong leaders will see it through. Zamani zile zimefanya ngani pala. Kubeza na tuchoka huko kuno. Ndio makana basa nyota siani. Hizi tunaziputa 5 years patali. Ichigwe changu kujino tutakuzazi. Ngombe zote ena tibani mwemu aliboma hapo ena alimu opposition. Very embarrassing to a man like me. And I stood firm. Timalize zimena kuizana utaji na support antuwa. Akaniza nikaoka. Come 2025. That was my position. I don't waver. I don't shrink. I'm 70 plus years old. So I'm mature. What did we expect? We expected to have a cabinet which was balanced. And I'm going to say, before in this position. Osangasoka. Late chizimatindi get involved. Apipi anapata wani. Mudaone mina mjejiligira maibanda. What do we know jandana anapasa kwa opposition? If another tittle after 2 years down the line, it's not so connected. 6 months I wanted to resign. My wife stopped me. For that to be chaos, I don't know to be part of that cabinet. Parliament is something else. And my people Mupolongo Langatini, Nasia Kurampu. First Miss Bomako, the Sabizanas. Did Municipal 2006. I am part of it. Janaziputa. Ugaziputa. Carry yourself through. I don't believe in that. It's immaturity. You know, Marumbo, what is your expectation in this alliance? Kabambe must win. It doesn't matter so long he wins. Zigankanika zizakanoti mwinasi wazibonda mkati. I was looking at Chakwera to form the best ever government. Why did he need to do all those 8 presidential candidates who gave up their presidential ambition and after that, another tonga. When I'm in the government, I'm in the neck. They want to move over. Jamino, Ajima, women be angry to you know, my before. Proportionately, in Trump position 6 or 7. In my banda, women be angry, etc. etc. Cabinet is to me 50% national manjama. I mean, I support you. The other 50% could have been given to the 8 parties. He could have formed a government second to none. I'm advising them this time. That is my advice. Advice can be taken or rejected. From there, Joe Mazizi, anyway, Joe in other words, could on say, Mwachokaliti, Marika Wafasa. Unfortunately, I'm going to say I'm going to Tandiza. Those was not registered anywhere. Throughout the 5 years, people have been talking of Tose government. Are we that myopic? Sorry to say. Could it still for an entity to be deemed to be operating their business must be registered? Yet alone a Roma. Is the car along the range of your register reports? I feel embarrassed. We are showing, sorry to say, our ignorance of the law. Tose was not registered anywhere. It was just a club to grab government from BBB to MCP. At the end of the day, Zinatira Bompo, Ajabwera, Anatawa, I have not missed words. Of course, it's not Zinene, Bajirigati, Komaru Guna, Kamara, Zwezona. Kuti Tose is not registered anywhere. It was just a converging point. Kuti Tengeboma, away from DPP, because at the time, DPP had messed up. This Metuna Kuti is no longer Malance, which is Betseboma in the fellow Boma, without purpose. Purpose in June, but Betseboma to Wendy. It will get us nowhere. This agreement, we are not even calling it an alliance. This agreement is to make sure Kabambe takes over this country and rule. Zikazamkanika ndieka. Chabwino. Kumakazati chita evolve. NFA chito itaigwira. Undondo tachita. MP itagwira. Ndale zitagwira. 23 years soba. Timabwerera mbuyo tikudziwa kuti chipani chatusikina kule amalawa kudikira kuvotera zipani zazikulu. Zimene mess up for 30 years. Very different from our colleague in Zambia. I've already said that. Why don't we take that example? Look for leaders. Finally, Zodiac, German director. Oh, Tamaliza, but Mafusoena last round is a
I think for Japanila, Pajanhawi, Mawa Tupanga launch by the manifesto. So President National Government and the President Azao will come to an answer to the some of the members here to the then mafuna kuti President Bantawi inoyo itogose kwambiri atolankhani nonse amene munabwera mwazimvera nokha ndithu tiyeni pamene tikusiyana pano tiyeni tilikonde dziko lathu tipita kuchisankho Malawi kumene muliko tonse tili udindo pakuti tikonze dziko lathuli kuti likhale dziko labwino. Tinaponya chilima amene anthu ambiri Malawi muno anazindikira kuti anali president amene akadakonza dziko koma manena zimenezo alimata mwaliyo tisazanenenso zimenezi akabambe akasiyandana ndi nthawi yathu taona tamva thekera kwawo takuona tisalengere chipani tisankhe mene anenera right honorable Madi Kasonga Phiri tisankhe munthu chipani sichiyendesa dziko koma munthu amene amuyendesa dziko amene akudalitsera nthawi ino tipemphe Mr. Alex
Taombile manjakai. Jera
kumamba kulandira ulemu ndi matamando chifukwa tsiku lopambana kuti tineta panga tachonapo Kasonga Phiri ithandiza kutsogolo ku municipal funga zibiri zitatu zisezi kwa ife tikhoza kuphonya mafoti na pesa shiro na Mulungu kuyambirira ambuye atikomera mtima kuti ulendo umene tikayende mpaka the next 10 years to come. Chifukwa nzathu wa boma la Kanika Amalawi akulira upangiri onena kuti dziko likozedwe. Chifukwa cha icho ndiona ngati combination pakati pa Right Honorable Kasonga Phiri ndi Dr. Dalitso Kabambe Mulungu ayika ku dzanja lake ndipo ati kubya chiro simeta panga zodi fa kuchimwa ambuye mukalemezeke muliko kuti mulandire ulemu kuti ufuma monse mukalemezeke tikapite patsogolo kuti ulamuliro wathu kupete kukhazikitsa pa 16 pano. Amen.
Ziko kwambiri towakhale. I think maya wachitakale communicate ndi
Osayiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.